If you plan to use outside combustion air for your Blaze King or Princess wood stove, this critical part, called an outside air adapter, might not fit. This outside air adapter, also called an FA plate, is part of Blaze King's mobile home air kit, but it can also be purchased separately. I'm using an outside air adapter for a 4-inch pipe. It should come with two number 10 3/8-inch screws. We don't live in a mobile home, but because of allergies and sensitivities to smoke, we wanted to use outside combustion air for our Princess PE32 wood stove. As shipped, the outside air adapter does not fit snugly on our stove, leaving gaps that would allow cold air to flow into the house. The problem? These 4 welds, 2 on the outside of the air intake chute and 2 on the inside, are too long. To solve this problem, you'll need to cut 4 notches in the outside air adapter so it will fit around the welds. I used a handheld rotary tool with a metal cutting disc. My modified outside air adapter looks like this. These notches have been cut to fit around the welds. This is the edge that slides up flush against the wood stove. The notches will fit right over the welds. Now that it fits snugly, the screw holes may no longer line up, so that means drilling a new set of screw holes in order to attach the outside air adapter to your wood stove. You still may need to apply some high temperature sealant to fill any remaining gaps. Here's my finished setup. In another video, I'll show you how I aligned the rigid air intake pipe and cut a hole through my limestone tile to connect to the flexible air intake pipe under the floor.